Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Maxis Bros YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the sound problems of your Windows computer. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. So let's get started. Now you can see the audio icon in the bottom right corner. It says no audio output, so we have to find audio output device, such as your internal speakers, headphones and external speaker. So firstly we can run this troubleshoot sound problem. We don't want any audio enhancements, so we can say no. And we don't need to increase any volume, so click next. So as the report, it says audio services are not responding and low audio device volume. It means the first method wasn't found the errors and didn't fix it. Then friends, we have to try the second option. First left click on your this PC and right click on it and go to manage. Then your PC's computer management table will be pop up. So here click the device manager tool. And then you can see a tool which calls sound, video and game controllers.so. Click the left arrow. Now you can see here your PC's audio and video drivers. The thing that you have to do is select your audio driver. After you find that, right click on it and go to the update driver. Click on the let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, then click next. And here also click next. And now you can see my audio output devices are pending. If this method wasn't work for your PC, you have last option. That is, you have to download compatible audio driver for your computer. In this option you have to go your browser and search realtekdownload.com. Click here which says download Realtek HD. This Realtek HD audio drivers have 99% chance to work on your computer. If it isn't suitable for your computer, then check your sound card details and download suitable driver for your computer. So in here you can download this from this 32-bit or 64-bit.usc compatible version of your PC. Then automatically it will begin to download when you once click on it. After the download process, click the driver setup and run as administrator. Then run it as normal setup. After the installments, you need to restart your PC.so. I hope this will definitely works on your computer. I hopefully think this video is very useful for you. So friends, like this video and comment below about your doubts, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. And see you guys in my next video.